Hey everybody, and welcome to another Windgoo video. This one I'm going to show you how you can greatly improve the rear brake on it. So obviously mine was terrible when it first got. I did strip it out and do a big brake adjustment on it all. Then I spoke to a friend of mine who showed me how to adjust the inner piston on it, so therefore the brakes work so much better from doing it. That's how I can do big skids on it. So obviously we're talking about the little bike here, not the big bike, but I'll show you what you need. You need a 5mm Allen key. Relatively long one would be quite good because you have to go through the wheel. So I'll show you that quick. Right, so here's the wheel. There's the caliper. If you look through the wheel, you'll see this bit here, which is the back of the caliper. You put that in and then you turn it to the right and you'll feel it. It's on a lobe, which means it's on like an egg shape. So it'll go up and over. So if you go too much, it will go really light again and then you can go over again. So you put that in there and you give it a little nip, or turn it to the right a little bit. Feel the handlebar as you're doing it, feel the brake lever as you're doing it, and you'll feel it getting tighter. So that's what I found to be the best way to do it, and it takes like 5 seconds to get that done in there. You haven't got to worry about tightening up any nuts or bolts. It is literally just adjusting the inner piston bit on there. So if you think this video is good, let me know in the comments. Thanks, like, subscribe, and anything else I find, I'll let you know. Thanks for now, guys.